to be a little bit of what is in the new 2 catalogs. So the 1 catalog is, I'm going to go over everything that is going to be in the core products from September 2020 to August 2021. I wanted to show a little bit of what is in the catalog for the year. And this, anytime that you need any close to my heart products, the links will be down below, but I wanted to go over this with you and look. So the very first thing I wanted to show you was the stamp set. It's D1939 and it's called You Are, like, and then you just add like where the heart is, and it's just, you know, it's just pretty cool. I just like this one. I thought it was pretty cool. So in the catalog, I wanted to go over just a tad bit. They changed out a few of the new colors. So the new colors is, the color of the year is called Bluebell, and I love this color. We have a few new colors, Desert Rose, Cinnamon, Scarlet, Flamingo, and you're going to see a little bit of these colors in there. Grape, and then over here, you're going to see Avocado, Sundance, and then, like I said, the Bluebell. So we do have some new colors, and this is what I'm super duper excited for. And then we'll get into one of the collections that they gave us. So they did come out with the Everyday 12x12, and I use these a lot for like all of my little trips and stuff, and they're 1 inch. So now you can get Jaloop, which was last year's color of the year, and now you can get Bluebell. I can't wait to get that one in. Oh, I'm excited. So that's one new one. And then what I also wanted to show you guys, so some of this stuff is new. They came out with the glitter gels from Stickles. They came out with the gloss sprays, and these here I've used quite a bit. They're from Ranger, and they're really, really good. I love them. And then, as you can tell, I've written on some of them. So you guys know that I use Distress Oxides a lot. You guys know I do. Now look, we have all of these. Now you can tell I need to get that one yet, that one, that one, that one, and that one. That's it. The rest of them I already have. So this is, you know, because I am a close to my heart consultant, this is what I did. So I took out the colors that I already have. So now you'll see me use these a lot on our my projects. I'm super excited. And then they did make sure that they gave us the blending tools and stuff for the Distress Oxide. Now you can use these on your on these as well, because see, I use them all the time. This is what you guys see now. We sell them. So anytime that you see them, and if you have any questions or you're wanting some, there they are. And then we did come out with some new stencils. And then we also came out with liquid pearls. Now these match up really, really closely to Nouveau drops. So if anybody knows what Nouveau drops are, or if you're new to these period, I'm getting all of these colors that you see the word have, I'm getting those. And we're going to play. So these are new, and look at all of these new shimmer brushes. Look at all of that. Aren't those gorgeous? And then we also got in the rare mineral metallic markers, and I'm going to get all 3 of them, and you're going to see me play with them. But that is some of the new stuff that we have gotten and contracted. So with that being said, I wanted to go over one of these. This collection you can purchase at any time throughout the year. So the stamp set to this collection that's called Party Time is right here. And this one is the stamp in Thinlits. So this is Z3779. And you can also just get the stamp if you want. I will show you a little bit closer. So that is what the stamps look like. And then there's the dies. Okay. And y'all know that I love my stamps and my dies. I just need to keep using them more often, right? I just love using them. I just got to get better at it. And then we did get the acrylic pieces, and I'll do this just so that you can see them. They are stars, and I'm excited for these. Look at these. And they're pretty thin. They're not that thick, just to, you know, give you an idea. They're not that thick. But I really like how these look. You get quite a bit of them in there too. And then that is Z3804. Okay. Now, on to the paper collection. So this one is called Party Time. Now, Party Time is in our core book. And so you can purchase this at any time all year long. And I really like this. They up their game on their stickers. Look at all these colors. So the featured colors in here are Ballerina. Flamingo is one of our new colors. Glacier, Green Apple, Lagoon, Lemonade, Nectarine, Raspberry, Sapphire, and White Daisy. So those are the colors that you're going to see in here. Okay. And then this is the cool part. So you're going to get 2 pages of each. Look at that. Like, you can use this on a boy layout or a girl layout. Like, how cool is that? Okay, so that's page number 1. Page number 2, look at this. So you got a girl side and you got a boy side. Or you can mix and mingle. But I thought that this was amazing that they did that. So that's page number 2. Here's page number 3. Look at this. You got your circles and then you got your stars. And it's it looks like almost chalkboardy. I know you can't really see it, but in person it looks like they drew it on a, this is blue, not black, but blue chalkboard. That's what it looks like to me. And then this is page number 3. Look at all these stars. And then the candles. Obviously you could do either or both on whatever layout. Okay, and then here is the last page. Nope, I'm not quite there yet. Look at this. I love this. You could do either or both. And then here's the last page. And I thought that that was pretty cool that they did the same thing as they did with the presents. Okay, and then here are the new, like, the colors that go with it. And these are the coordinating cardstock that you can get with this collection. Look at Flamingo, or Flamingo. Nope, this is Flamingo. This is Flamingo, sorry. But there is the coordinating cardstock for that. So, with that being said, this collection is in there all the time. And the other cool thing that I wanted to show you guys that they started doing a little bit differently. I don't want to show everything because then you're just not going to go to the website. Da-da-da-da! Look how stinking gorgeous this is. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Look at all these different types. So you get the wood grain paper pack. You get 12 sheets, so 2 sheets of each. And it is for $10. And this is year round. So you can get this as many times as you want from now until August of next year. And I will just do a slow-mo. And then the very last thing I'm going to show you is the silver and the gold foiling. So you get 6 sheets, so it's 1 sheet of this, and they are 12 by 12. And you get, for $10, you get 1 sheet, so 6 sheets for 10, and 6 sheets for that 10. And then I'll do a quick slow-mo for these. I love these. I think they're perfect. All right, so that is in the core. Everything will be linked down below. If you have any questions, comments, or whatever, certainly give me a comment down below, and I will definitely get back to you. And I hope that you all are having a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon.